All right, since the last loadout video, I actually made a couple of changes to the ProPac TP-XL, XXL, wow, if I could speak correctly. I've started a row of bits up here of what I commonly use. I'm really tired of trying to find these things. So this one is my telescoping one that I can use, you know that style to help secure a fastener when they want to wobble off. Here's the thing, and I'm not going to digress on this. I'm going to actually explain this. So some people say, oh, well, magnetic, you need magnetic. Well, this has a magnet in the bottom, if I recall correctly. However, not all fasteners are magnetic. So you think your magnet's going to work, and it doesn't. So that there is one that I like to use a lot for longer fasteners. Here's my DeWalt locking. Again, these are two different Torx head sizes from my GRK collection because I use those a lot. Backup diamond tip bit for doing holes through ceramic tile. And then here's my primary. Ooh, man, getting a little shaky on the camera there. Lennox is my primary brand. They do twice as good as the Milwaukee. So I'm gonna tick off some Milwaukee fans, but hey, even though I use a lot of Milwaukee tools, they're not always the best for everything. All right, here is a number 2 and just a solid magnetic based adapter. This guy is impact rated. It's from an impact rated set of Milwaukee bits that I have. My 1/4 inch impact adapter for my 1/4 inch impact driver. A socket that I just threw in here that I use constantly. This is the 3/8 adapter and the 1/2 inch adapter. I have a spare hole saw Lennox back here. Another change that I made is pretty significant in the way the bag actually functions as a whole in the main compartment. I took this guy out because I don't really cut a lot of PVC, and when I do, it's typically larger, and I haven't had a real good experience with this cutting square, so out that goes. In went my Mitutoyo carpenter square because I do use squares a lot. So I have this guy, and then I have my magnesium square back here, tried and true, right? Trusty. And I added a file recently into here because I had forgot that I had taken the file out and never put it back. The DeWalt extension lost its magnet. I don't know if you can see that in there. Let's see if I can get you in the right lighting. Nope. Anyways, lost its magnet and now it doesn't want to lock. So I'm going to see if I can warranty this bad boy out. I don't know because it doesn't even have the DeWalt on it anymore. I love this thing, but once that magnet came out, it stopped functioning correctly. I have my 90-degree, stutter state. I have my 90-degree angle driver right here, which I'm going to show you something. Use longer bits, pardon me, because the shorter bits will do this, and then you're going to have to get them out. Yeah, I'm not pleased with this. I think that there should have been something back here in this design to stop this from eating them, because I have even longer bits that get kind of stuck in there as well, and it's just a pain in the butt. Great design. I actually love having this tool because it allows me to get into small spaces, but it's just something that I thought of right now to mention to you guys when I'm talking about bits. Put the long ones in here or else you're going to be sad. Another change that I made was I actually put my DMM in the left meter pocket if you're looking straight at the bag. I took the stud finder out of that pocket, good Lord, and moved it. So here's my portable rechargeable light, my stud finder, and then my miscellaneous stuff down here, and that helps me out a lot. Just in case I need it, I added tape back to the loop. I have mixed feelings about this loop because I feel like oftentimes it gets in the way, but I assume that if I loop this back, I can make that a better deal and not get in the way of this pocket. One of the things that I will tell you guys that I don't like about this bag, it's probably the only negative I found so far, is that I have pockets all the way down here. So this stuff, even that you see right here, is in a pocket. And there you go, you can see it right there. So it leaves a lot to be desired in the middle between the pockets, but it gives you a whole lot of pocket space. I'm actually going to give you another one that I don't like. These driver holders are pretty pointless unless it's like, say, something this short. And even this is sticking out quite a bit for my liking because that will easily fall out. So you can't really use it for much of anything. And I would expect that to be able to take some sort of driver. These little short screwdrivers, this is just a little cheapy Cobalt. It does okay, but I feel like that's just, I don't know. It doesn't, to me, it doesn't go with the continuity of how well made the bag is. I think that's a revision that they should make someday. Will they? Don't know. Too many people like the bag as it is. Those are just my gripes and my preferences. So other than that, that's it. You know, we got bit row. We added this, took that out, and this is gonna go I'm hoping to get this replaced, and it will probably end up going up here because I think it's a better spot for it. We'll see. I'm trying to make this all my bits so that I can get to every bit that I typically use, and then all the tools that I use, top and bottom, and these are my medium use in the middle. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Be blessed, subscribe, comment below, share this. Let's keep the comments very polite and professional. Let's not get at each other. No cursing. Please do not get in here to just troll the comment section. That ruins it for everybody. If you do, I'll be sure to take care of it. Thanks.